Gold and silver so far for the day traded in a very narrow range. Well, silver has shown a little bullishness, but it is still trading below 2820, the critical resistance level, while gold has been trading in a very narrow zone for failing to break beyond 2396. And earlier in the day we have seen it hitting 240304 zone, but since then it has failed to in fact break beyond 2396 itself, while on the downside 238487 again proven out to be good support. Now, what to expect with the US session from gold and silver? How to profit, where to enter, where to exit, everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the twice a day update. This is the second update for the day. Those who had watched the first update at least would have saved the capital, if not profited. Thus, press the bell icon or join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's first, if you look at the hourly charts, after hitting the highs here at 2404, we have seen gold trading in range. We have seen a sharp slump, and since then, look at this how it is behaving. It is delivering lower lows, lower highs. On the upside, 2396 again is a good level, which is giving it a good resistance here. And thus, if you see it is staying above 2396, we can buy, but it is going to be riskier as long as gold it stays below 2404 zone. It has to break 2404 in order to move towards 2410 12 levels, first resistance zone 20, and beyond that we can see it moving towards 2420 2422 levels in next resistance zone. Moving averages have crossed over here. These are trading with divergence, staying bullish. Also look at the formation. Let me show you something which I have shared earlier in the day. The drop, the retracement, the drop, the retracement. This is the second wave in formation here, and it is trading in this bearish channel. Now 2400 is also one critical resistance for it to break past by. Stochastic rising. MACD, look at MACD, what we have seen on charts getting reflected here. It has crossed over, it is trading bearish. RSI has dropped as well. On the two, the observation is more or less same. Moving averages are trading bearish, layered one over other, and yes, it is retraced nicely, getting resistance here, trying to reverse. Let's see if it breaks below 2384 or 80 zone, which is going to be a first support zone here. And if you look at the stochastic, this has dropped. The MACD is again delivering waves here. It has formed double bottom. It is crossing over. I'll just wait. If it crosses over, then you can say it may trade in range. Else, it has not much of bullishness left on the upside. RSI comfortable. Coming to 3 hour. Look at 3 hour charts here. Very good support is seen here. See, it has moved towards 20 period moving average, and since then taking the support, it has bounced back. Also, if you look at it, is delivering lower highs, lower lows, trading in a very narrow zone. Yes, if you see gold is staying above 2396, can initiate a buying entry, but then 2400 2404 zone is going to be the first resistance for it to break past by. Also, if you look at the formation, reversal sign, since then retracement, and if it breaks below 2387, we can look forward to 84 and 80 as the first support zone. Below 2380 is where the bears are. Stochastic has fallen sharp from the overbought zone here, while the MACD has retraced, forming nice double bottom levels. It is delivering waves, and see, this is, if it crosses over, we can say that it is trading in this sideways wave formation, else it has not much of room available on the upside. RSI flat. So only bearishness is if you see the MACD crossing over here on the sell side. Coming to 4 hour, look at the 4 hour charts here, lower highs, lower lows. Wait for it to give a breakout either which. Right now you can see almost a double top here, resistance from the 100 period moving average. See, 120 period moving average are almost convergent here at 2404 2406 zone, making it a very strong resistance for it to break past by. Now this convergence is seen after long duration, so a crossover here is a signal of reversal. And if you look at the formation, the same formation what we have seen on the hourly charts is getting replicated here. It is trading in this bearish flag. Let it break out. If it does show a breakout, you can say higher highs can be seen. Stochastic dropping from the top, MACD rising, RSI flat. Coming to daily. Before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. On the daily chart, see 20 period moving average. Look at this, flattened here, and this is giving it a very good resistance. It has to break beyond this in order to confirm a further rise which can take the prices towards the highs. And this time if it breaks this, I will look forward to 2410 first, 2420 2422, the next milestone. Right now it is shying away from this rise. It is staying within the Also on the downside, you can see this, it is given a gap here, it has almost filled the gap. So this is one part, because see, this gap is filled now, and thus if it has it see, the gap filling is done, and if it is bullish, it has to break out on the upside. Right now it is shying away from either of these. Neither it is broken on the downside, nor it has stayed bullish here. If you look at the stochastic rising, the MACD is still bearish on the daily charts. This is important. Look at the daily charts. Further downside move is available, and the RSI is considering this very simple. Buy at 23.96 and sell at 22.86. If you are selling at 22.86, be careful till 22.82.5, 22.80 level, 23.82.5, 23.80 levels, first support zone. Then 23 below 23.80, actually we will be looking forward to 23.74.5, and then 23.70. Any point of time gold trading below 23.70 is a sign of reversal here, where we can look forward to a stronger correction, which can in fact take it towards 23.62 and 23.50 levels. So that is the position on the downside. Looking at the move, it does not appear that we may see such a stronger fall, but these are markets. On the upside, where you can buy, I will recommend you to buy gold at 23.96. Expect 2400 first target, 240405, 240406 as the first or second resistance levels, and then 2410, 2412 levels will come into picture, beyond which I will be looking forward to 2420, 2422, and any move beyond 2422 is a sign of reversal. Take your positions accordingly. Beyond 2422 is sky the limit towards 2430, 2440. Trade accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Now see, silver so far for the day, it appears it is striking against the wall, and it is showing a squeeze here. Thus it is very important for it to trade about 2820 levels. Once it stays about 2820, when the lower prices are about 2820, you can say that it has turned bullish. Moving averages are convergent, it is on the verge of a cross. And if you look at the movement here, see, this is sideways, and the moving averages are convergent and looking upward. So let it cross over, this will confirm a reversal. By the time it crosses over, certainly you can say that it must be trading about 2820, beyond which I will be looking forward to 2840, 50, the stronger resistance. And if it breaks beyond 2850, stay bullish for 2875, 80 and 29. Stochastic rising, MACD has retraced. Look at this. See, the rise is gradual, the drop is sharp. The rise is gradual, it can drop again, and it could be sharp as well. RSI flat. So right now I will not say that it has turned bullish. If you look at 2 hour, on the 2 hour chart, similar observation is striking against the wall. Now in general, when you see the price is failing to break a critical level, you can say that always there should be a retracement or a reversal, because something which is failing to break a resistance multiple times, it always tries to show a pushback. But right now I can see it is consolidating, and it may take another chance for a breakout. So if you see it is staying about 2820, just buy. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising, MACD is rising, RSI is flat. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour charts, another important observation is the support it is taking from 2790. So only selling entry, as I have discussed earlier in the day in the morning update with the Asia session, that a selling entry below 2790, 2785 can be taken. It has so far respected the zone here. Thus, now again with the US session, if you see it breaking on the downside, you can take a sell entry. However, it is bearish only and only if it trades below 2760. The stochastic has dropped. MACD rising, RSI flat. Coming to 4 hour. Look at 4 hour charts. Look at the formation here. Drop, retracement, drop, retracement. Now, moving averages are trading with divergence. Moving averages are staying. And you can find out it is getting a good resistance here as well. So now we have to wait. If it gives a breakout here on the upside, 2820 should be a greater resistance for it to break past by. And on the downside, 2760 is indeed a very, very good support. Stochastic rising, MACD. Look at MACD on the 4 hour charts, forming double bottom, crossing over here. It is still trading bullish. RSI flat. Coming to daily chart. Now on the daily chart, see, this is significant. The crossover you look at, and see, a retracement towards the moving average is possible, which means as long as silver stays below $30 levels in the near future, we should not be treating this as bullish. Now, this crossover on the sell side is coming after a long, long time. See, this was the last crossover almost 4 to 5 months back, and since then, silver is traded bullish, and now it is closed over on the sell side. So, whatever it is trying to do, it is trying to retrace here. It can try to confine itself within the zone. On the upside, 29, 29.50 and 30 are the stronger resistance levels here. Right now for the day also you can see very modest bullishness is seen. Higher lows, higher highs are seen here. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish and RSI flat at bottom. Looking at this, very simple. Sell at 27.85. 90 zone, buy at 28.20, 28.25 zone. On the upside, beyond 28.20, 28.25 levels, you can expect 28.40, 28.50 first target, 28.75.80 the next, and then $29 levels will be seen, beyond which sky is the limit. We can look forward to 29.50, $30 levels, but it requires a strong trigger for such a strong move. On the downside, I will say that you can take a sell entry at 27.85, 27.90 zone. Expect it to move towards 27.70, 27.60 as the first target, 27.40 as the next, and then $27 levels might get achieved. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. And those who are looking forward to a broker, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. It offers a stress-free account, lowest spreads, and no hidden. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.